Assalamu alaikum student. In our biology online class, today we will discuss a new topic from chapter number 6, enzymes is mechanism of enzyme action. In mechanism of enzyme action, we will discuss two models. One is the lock and key model and the other one is the induce fit model. Now let us start with the introduction of mechanism of enzyme action. When enzyme attaches with substrate, enzyme substrate complex is formed. As enzyme catalyzes the reaction and the substrate is transformed into product, the enzyme and the products are released after the breakdown of enzyme substrate complex. Now you will understand the mechanism of enzyme from this equation. Now here E represent enzyme, S is substrate. When substrate attaches with enzymes, when this enzymes attaches with substrate, enzyme substrate complex is formed. Enzymes help to speed up the reaction. And finally, substrate is transformed into the product. Clear, student? Now, student, there is a diagram from which you will understand the mechanism of enzyme action. In this diagram, these two are the object and that object are substrate. And this one is the enzyme. Now these two substrate attached with the enzymes and the enzymes have an active site. These two substrate attach with the active site of enzymes. Now when the substrate attached with the active site of enzymes by themselves, as a result, enzyme substrate complex is formed. Now this enzyme speed up the reaction or catalyze the reaction. Clear, student? Now this substrate when attached with the active site of the enzyme and finally this substrate to form a product and release the product. So in this complete reaction, what is the function of enzyme? Function of enzyme is just to speed up the reaction. And finally, when product release from enzymes, this enzymes get into its original position when it is attached with the substrate. Clear, student? Now let us discuss the model of this mechanism of enzyme action. The first model is the lock and key model. Now this model is presented by Emil Fischer. Emil Fischer in 1894, Emil Fischer, he was a German chemist who first time proposed this model in order to explain the mechanism of enzyme action. Clear? Now according to him, lock and key model, according to this model, lock and key model, both enzyme and the substrate possesses specific shapes that exactly fit into one another. This model explains enzymes specificity. Clear? Now, if we understand this statement, by this diagram. According to lock and key model, substrate, this is the substrate as a key, enzyme, and both them have an specific shape, lock and key. Lock is the enzyme, key is a substrate. Both of them have a specific shape. And open the lock because of their specific shape or fit in the lock. Clear? To open the lock. So according to lock and key model and according to Emil Fisher, enzyme and their active site have a rigid structure with this specific shape, and the substrate means key. The substrate means that key, and the substrate fits itself into enzyme with the active site of enzyme, and then enzyme substrate complex is formed and the reaction is forwarded. Clear? If the key fitted this lock and lock key complex is formed and the lock is opened. In this way, that structure is clear. Now, another scientist, Daniel Koshland, in 1958, he introduced another model, that is induced fit model. Clear? Now, according to him, he is an American biologist and he proposed this model, and that was a modification of lock and key model. What? The induced fit model. Clear? According to this biologist, Daniel Koshland, induced fit model, according to this model, active site is not a rigid structure. Rather, it is molded into required shape to perform its function. And this model is more acceptable than lock and key model of enzyme action. Now, here is a diagram from which you can understand this model. And this model is opposite to lock and key model. And according to lock and key model, the active sites of enzyme have rigid structure, and both of them means substrate and enzyme have the substrate and the enzyme have a specific shape. But now in induced fit model is opposite, and the active site of enzyme does not have rigid structure, and now the enzyme attaches with substrate, and according to the shape of substrate, enzyme molded and attached to substrate by itself or change the active site of enzyme as substrate attached with active site of enzyme and formed enzyme substrate complex. Now the active site of enzyme changes. The active site of enzyme changes according to the shape of substrate molded, because that substrate fit on that enzyme. So in this way, enzyme catalyze the reaction and that substrate conducted into product. And after the product formed, enzyme substrate complex breakdown and enzymes now back in its original position. Clear, student? Now, students, you can clearly understand both the mechanism of enzyme action, lock and key model and induced fit model. Thank you.